Hello, in this video, I will be showing you how to create a Wise account, which is an easier way for you to receive your payment directly to your bank account and for your clients to transfer money with 8 times lesser fees than other money transfers. So just go to wise.com, this is formerly TransferWise, and just hit register. Fill up all the necessary details, and once you're already logged in, this is how the homepage in Wise looks like. And the very first thing that you have to do is to go to your details, edit your profile, because you'll be sending the details later to your client. And then after that one, just click on recipients, add your bank account. So since we're Filipinos, let's choose the currency into Philippine peso. You can opt to have your local bank account or the e-wallet. So let's see what are the available banks for TransferWise here under local bank. And you can also opt to have e-wallet. So that's going to be PayMaya or GCash. And just click confirm. So you need to send your clients all these details, your full name, bank name, street address, postal code, city, country, account number, and email address, and you're already good to go. Thank you.